Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an extremely rare 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner factory V-code 4-speed car, one of 429 postcars ever built. Super cool car. 64,000 original miles on it. It is an older restoration. The paint on this car is over 20 years old. It is a factory FC7 in violet, or as a lot of people know it, plum crazy purple car. Factory black vinyl top, factory black performance hood treatment. It is a factory Dana Track Pak car with a 410 pistol grip 4-speed car, matching numbers drivetrain. Very, very cool car, guys. Tough to find. Again, older restoration. Car is actually out of Virginia. And again, it was restored over 20 years ago. Now, I did just put the dust trail stripe on it. I like the dust trails on these 70s. That is not original for the car. If you don't like it, it peels right off. I like them a lot, but super cool car. You can see it's got the 15-inch rallies in it with the Goodyear Polyglasses all the way around it. I believe the car's got all the original interior in it. All the glass is original except for the front windshield. It has all the original body panels except for the trunk pan. They put a new trunk pan in it years ago. A lot of this chrome and stainless is actually original. Again, you can nitpick the car, guys. Don't think this has got a brand new $30,000 paint job. You're going to see little touch-up marks, little blemishes, little imperfections in the car. Again, it's very nice, as you'll see when we walk around. But don't think that it's a this isn't a $150,000 car, guys. This is a nice, straight driver. Hood pins are original. Came with it on the fender tag. Super cool car. A couple things, or one thing I don't like, they changed the radio out years ago. But, you know, that's just what they did. Again, as you walk around, you're going to see little touch-up marks, little imperfections in the car, but still very, very nice. They said they think this vinyl top is original on the car. Again, it's only got 64,000 miles on it, and it's designated on the title too, guys. I love the postcars, the pop-out rear windows. Yeah, the aftermarket radio, not a big fan of that. I would say, as you look and see some touch, I bet you they did this taking that trim off and on. Good looking car. And again, very rare car to find. You just don't see these cars, especially with a 4-speed. Does have the original quarters. You can see the car straight down the sides. I love the old Polyglass tires with the radials. They don't drive, or I'm sorry, Polyglass tires with the rallies. They don't drive quite as good as they do when you put radials on them, but they look good. Cool car, man. In a very cool color, man. High impact in violet. Good looking car. This car does have factory power disc brakes on it. That's part of your Hemi Suspension Package. It's got the 26-inch radiator with a shroud. Again, matching numbers drivetrain. I took some photos of the vent on the engine and on the trans. Stock 6-pack V-code car. Stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds. They've added electronic ignition. Again, 26-inch radiator with a shroud. Manual steering, power front disc brakes. I think I said they added electronic ignition. What a cool car, man. And it drives good, guys. Original fender tag. And the only knock you can have on this car, it's been sitting. And like I said, you can pick, there's some touch-up marks as you walk around in the paint. Original A-pillar chrome. It shows a little bit of its age, but it's pretty doggone nice. Stock mirror, stock door handles. Original door tag. Door seams are clean. I believe this is the original interior in this car too, guys. I've ordered new floor mats for it. Factory bench seat. Pistol grip 4-speed, standard steering wheel there. Headliner looks good. Factory tacking gauges. You can see the tick-tock tack works. 64,480 is your original miles. Aftermarket radio, not a big fan of that. It's got an H-pipe dual exhaust system in it. Again, Dana 410 sure grip rear end with the Hemi handling package on it, suspension package on it. Factory jack with spares back here. He told me he did this, treated it with a, get this stuff, just did a black treatment on the bottom because of these mats holding moisture, didn't want to paint it. Again, they did, that is a new trunk pan. Quarters, floors, all that stuff looks original. Good car. Car's clean underneath. Floors are solid, looked good. Fun car right here. Very collectible car. I have not had a 70 V-code. Man, it has been probably 4 or 5 years, guys. I had a Tour red one, which is really the one that has they built the most of, I believe. And mine was an automatic. I have not had a 4-speed, man. I'd have to look back. It's probably been, it's had to have been some time since I've had one of these cars in a 4-speed. I've owned a few of them, but most of them have been automatics. And I've never had a plum crazy. Runs out good too, man. Like I say, drives good, shifts good. Really hits the road good. And hood pins are factory. They're on your trim tag. I love a 70 Roadrunner too, man. You just don't see them. Tack works. Gauges are all functional. Parking brake, Nathan? It's not grabbing? We'll check that. I think it's under there. Good sound. That's a pretty car. Pretty car. Radio works, blower motor works. I don't think the reverse light is working on there. It does not, no. Wipers are functional. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep track of us. What a cool car, man. Car's got a good look. Yeah, and I had the dust trail stripe put on it. You don't like it isn't original, but I like them on it. Have a great day, guys.